Today I had an exhaust leak on the Honda, and I've done a quick way to fix it. You know, remember I showed y'all the video of how I built the bracket and everything. Well, now I have fixed the exhaust leak temporarily with a soda can. Yeah, I know a bunch of y'all out there are gonna laugh at me, but I have a welder, but I have no welding wire or welding rods, so I had to make this temporary. Anyways, look, I have the one pipe here, right? And then I had the other pipe here. The exhaust leak was right here. Well, I took the beer can. Look, here's the beer can. I would show y'all, but it's dark outside. I cut the top off of it here. Cut the bottom off of it here. Can't see that line. This pen sucks. There. You can't see this one either. There. And then I cut a line right down the middle. And then I took hose clamps. Let's say these are hose clamps, you know. Took a few seconds to make it look like a hose clamp. You know, got the little flat head on it, whatever. Okay. I have those. Alright. Well, I took the can, sat here, this can, okay, here's the hose clamps, I put them on there, and I tightened them down, you know, just tighten whatever, and it caused the can to grab the side of the pipes, causing my leak to stop. I no longer had a exhaust leak. We'll try to find a flashlight and I'll show y'all how this works. Hang on a second. I'm gonna try to find a flashlight and show y'all what it looks like in the finished product. Okay guys, there's how I done it. You see the hose clamps, Mountain Dew can. I know it said beer can, but I'm pretty sure I don't remember what I said, but anyways, I used Mountain Dew can. Whatever that is, I can't remember now. But take a hose clamp on one pipe and put another one on the other. Exhaust leak fixed. Here, we'll start it up real quick. I'll let y'all hear the difference. And for those of you who are wondering, my check engine light's on because of an O2 sensor. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sounds a lot better. Alright, y'all, that was a quick how-to. Y'all have a good day, guys. I'm gonna go inside.